Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this really cool lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 20 inches and it came in this cute pink packaging right there. And the hair also comes with loads of amazing goodies like the wig cap, shower cap, and also hair clip. It also comes with a comb and it comes with a hairband and an eyelashes and an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. So this is what the hair look like straight from the packaging. The curls are popping, guys. The curls are popping. I really love the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box. This hair is definitely for a beginner. If you're the type that you love to wear wig but you have anxiety about having to cut it, style it and everything, this hair is definitely for you. You don't have to do anything at all. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. The hair also have baby hair around the premises of it, and it also comes pre-styled and has a center part straight from the box. Everything has been done. You don't have to do anything. All you need to do is just cut the lace and you're good to go. Look at the curls, guys. The curls are popping. I really love the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box and you don't have to do anything at all. The hair also comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 at the back, and it also have an elastic strap as well, so you can secure your hair without having to apply glue or gel. So that for me is a no-brainer. So in the first instance, what I did was just showed you guys what the hair looks like straight from the box. As you can tell, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also you don't have to do anything, and you can pat the hair anywhere you like within the 5x5 lace closure. As you can tell, you don't have to do anything, just cut the lace and you are good to go. So what I did immediately was just to cut the lace and bang, this is what I look like straight from the box. Straight from the box. As you can tell, the curls are popping and the hair is really secured. I used the elastic band that was I used the elastic band in the cap to secure the hair. Look at the curls, guys. Look at the curls. So I tried as well to use the Got to Be glue, but I wasn't feeling it, to be honest. I would prefer wearing the hair without any glue or gel. It's glueless lace cap, so I like it that way. But anyway, I just tried it with Got to Be glue and bam, that is it. But you don't have to do that at all. You can just wear the hair without any glue or gel. So yeah, and I didn't coil it, I didn't tongue it, I didn't do nothing. This is the curl straight from the box. As you can tell from the beginning, just cut the lace and off you go. Off you go. How easy is that, guys? Very, very easy to install. Very, very simple. And then at the end of the day, I thought I just wanted to throw in some curls and test the quality of the hair as always, because I have to do it. This is what I'm doing. This is why I'm doing this video. I had to test the quality of the hair and how well the hair curls, and as you can tell from the video, the hair curls really, really well. Really, really well. Look at that, guys. The quality of the hair is just amazing. Like amazing. I was feeling myself and I enjoyed this hair. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Look at that. Look at that. Bear in mind, you can curl this hair, you can dye it, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair, because the hair is, I am loving it so far. Look at the curls, guys. Look at the curls. They are popping. Like seriously, quality wise, hands down the best. I love it. Recool hair, definitely thumbs up for me. The hair is also true to length, so quality wise, amazing, and I love it. I really, really love it. Stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this really cool lace closure wig I'm wearing right here. I really, really love this. The hair is really, really soft to touch and very, very smooth. I love it. So I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. As you guys can tell, I didn't really do anything to this hair at all. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and the hair also have baby hairs around the perimeters of it. The hair has also been pre-styled straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. This hair is actually for newbies, especially people that cannot wear wig at all or don't know how to go about their wig, or people that really wants to wear wig but don't know how to go about it. This hair is for you. If you're the type that really want to wear wig but don't know how to go about it, you don't know how to curl your hair, you don't know how to pluck your hair, you don't know how to do anything about wig, then this wig is definitely for you. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, the hair has also been curled straight from the box. As you guys can tell, all I did was just to cut the lace and I was good to go. Bear in mind, this lace wig is also a glueless lace wig, because you don't need any glue, you don't need any gel to install this wig. All you need is just the scissors to cut the extra lace and you are good to go. This for me is a no-brainer. You don't need anything at all to install the hair but just a pair of scissors and you will be good to go. Look at that. The curls are popping straight from the box, nothing but just cut the lace. And also I noticed the fact that the hair also has a center part straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about trying to pluck the part of your wig or trying to figure out what part to go for. If you're not the type that likes center part, because the hair actually comes with center part straight from the box, all you need to do is just move the lace closure to the side part if that's the kind of part you want to go for. So you don't have to do anything at all. This for me is just a no-brainer. And also in terms of the quality of the hair, the quality of the hair is really good. As you can tell, there has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and I am loving this so far. If you don't know Recool Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, and they have 360 lace frontal wig, depending on the hair you're going for. And the amazing thing about this brand is the fact that they have amazing hair with good quality for affordable prices. So they also have sales every now and then on their website, so you definitely find something for yourself and your loved ones. So yeah, so far so good. I am loving it. I am really loving it. They also have colored hair on their website, so if you're the type that don't like black hair, you can go for their colored hair as well. As you can tell in my previous video, the hair that I reviewed for you guys was red. It's also by Recool Hair, and the quality is also as amazing as the previous red hair that I showed you guys earlier. And the most important thing is the fact that you don't have to do anything at all. How amazing is that? Like, seriously, how amazing is that? If you are a newbie, then this wig is definitely for you. Cut the lace and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about anything at all. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.